Always remember to honor yourself. Whatever way that you feel that you need to honor yourself, big up yourself, and be appreciative of yourself, do that. I love my little getaways. And right now I'm on a little mini getaway. Not even saying getaway, it's like a little time to myself for my birthday weekend. It's my birthday weekend. And I booked me a place to really just be and reflect. This year I am 29. And I'm just sitting reflecting on my life the past 10 years, almost 10 years, no, 9 years, and relationships I was in, relationships that I left, and having a daughter. And it's really, interesting. And there's many lessons that I have learned throughout these last 9 years. And the one that's really sticking out is making myself a priority. And this is why I came up with a Peace Over Everything workshop, and it's about making yourself a priority when you haven't been making yourself a priority. You've been giving yourself and your time and everything to everybody else and not yourself. And I'm on a constant journey to always put myself first, to remember who I am, to remember to appreciate me and show up for myself and give myself the amount of care and nurture that I know I want and I deserve. So this is why I just booked time away, just to reconnect with myself, because sitting in silence is when spirit gets loud. And when I'm by myself, I get real. By myself, once I get me once I smoke some herb and sit in silence with some good music, trust me, spirit begins to talk to me severely a lot. And I needed this time to reflect. I'm about to get ready to take myself out to dinner. I just wanted to be by myself. I wanted to be alone, just to be quiet and still. My daughter is with her dad right now. I'm appreciative that I can have some time to myself, just for my birthday weekend. And not only is it my birthday weekend, but it is also Juneteenth, and how significant this day is, and how the universe placed these 3 days in alliance with each other on the same day. So it's definitely something to take in, and seeing where I'm at as a Black woman in my life, and how I have certain freedoms that our ancestors, those before us, didn't have. And I owe it to myself and my lineage and Black people before me to live out my purpose, to understand myself on a deeper level, to go to a place that they haven't been. And I'm appreciative of that, and reflecting on that, and looking at my life and how I can shift my life and make decisions and go for the things that I want to go for in this life, this time period that my soul is incarnated into this earth. What lessons I can take away from this synchronicity of Juneteenth and my birthday, you get me? So it's some more processing for me to do. I feel like it's a rebirth time. I feel like it's a rebirth time for myself, and let's get it, What's for me is always going to be for me, and that I hold the power to manifest, envision year 29, and that there's many more to come. and I'm appreciative of my journey thus far. However, it has taken me ups and downs, but I'm appreciative of it. But I just wanted to, share that, shit gets real sometimes. So I'm about to go ahead and take myself to this here dinner. Treat yourself, treat myself. Always remember to honor yourself. Whatever way that you feel that you need to honor yourself, big up yourself, and be appreciative of yourself, do that. Because inside, it helps you get to know yourself on a deeper level, If I didn't take this time to be to myself, or whatever the case may be, I wouldn't be here getting the messages that I'm getting as I sit down, smoke, and just vibe with the universe, So take some time out for yourself, honor yourself, and this is what this vlog is about. Me honoring myself and making myself a priority. So, but yeah, bye y'all.